Hi, I'm Chef Raphael. Welcome. This is Dishes the Ajab, part of a series of videos that I'm using the Ajab flours. And today's flour of choice is the Ajab Atta Mark flour. Now I'm making brown bread. This is the way it looks on the inside. It's nice and crispy, especially because it's warm. Watch till the end and you see how I achieved this. On this video, I'm actually showing you all the tips that you need to know on making bread. And I hope you learned something new. Let's get cooking. So here are the ingredients that you need for the brown bread. Now I have all-purpose flour here, which is 65 grams, which is about half a cup. You will need Atta Mark flour, which will be 260 grams, which is about 2 cups of the flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, that's sugar inside here. I have 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 11 grams or 10 grams of yeast, or 2 teaspoons. The first thing we need to do is to combine the egg and the milk. Now what I've done with the milk, I've heated it slightly in the microwave for it just to get warm. Now when the milk is warm, it will make the whole reaction with the yeast to work faster. Just warm it up a little bit. When you touch it, it should not burn you. It should just feel it warm, so that when it starts reacting in the dough, it will make the yeast rise, make the cake of the bread rise faster. Now, so to this, I will add the all-purpose flour, half a cup, the salt, the yeast, and the sugar, 2 tablespoons. So mix first the dry ingredients and then make a well. Now basically a well is a small hole at the center whereby I'll pour the milk, then mix from the center, incorporating the flour into the milk. It makes it easier when you do this with the spatula. You will not get sticky hands. So start with the spatula first. So this is where the quarter cup comes in. Quarter cup of all-purpose flour. Going to transfer it to the surface. So you're going to do this for about approximately 50 times. Now you count, 1, roll, count, like that. You roll it, you turn it, you roll it about 50 times, or until the dough is smooth. You can use your hands, both hands, or one. So this is the last fold. Should be smooth. And then now at this point, I'm going to mold it into a ball. In your bowl, and then cover it with a damp cloth. You're going to leave it rest. Now this is what will happen. You leave it rest and then for about 10 minutes. And then you're going to remove it from the bowl and then transfer it to the baking tin. Now when you transfer it to the baking tin, you need to shape it into the shape of a loaf, the length of your baking tin, and then place it inside the baking tin that has already been greased. So it's been about 1.5 hours since I actually placed it here. Now it has risen. I can tell because it wasn't this size when I started with it. It has definitely risen. It has taken the shape of the tin. It's been oiled, like I said earlier. Now, if you have a smaller tin, it will definitely rise and you will notice it having that dome shape of bread. I'm happy with it the way it is. So right now I'm going to bake it. The oven is already hot. It's set at 180 degrees Celsius. This is what will happen. It will bake for about 30 minutes. But at minute 15, I will reduce the fire, the heat in the oven. And then what I will also do, I will take a foil paper and cover the top. Now this will prevent the bread from browning too much on top before it cooks very well on the inside. So the bread is ready now. It's not as hollow as some breads. So different breads have different characteristics. It's up to you to determine if this is the one you like, but personally I like it. I've made it before. It's evenly browned on the outside. It has a nice crust. Now when bread is fresh, it's usually a little bit hard, and then it gets softer as the longer it stays. So that's today's video. Today we are making brown bread using the Atta Mark from Ajab. Let me know in the comment section what bread you prefer. Is it brown or white? And like I said, I hope you learned something new. This has been Dishes at Ajab, and I'm Chef Raphael signing out.